Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Chrome. Open the browser and click the three-dot menu at the top right. Once the menu is open, choose Settings so you land directly where Search Preferences live. You need to find the Search Engine section. Make sure you're on a desktop or laptop for full options. Click it to reveal the default search engine dropdown. This is the exact control that switches Bing to Google. Do this now, and you'll be ready for the next configuration steps. Once you see the search engine dropdown, select Google from the list. That instantly switches Chrome from Bing. If Google isn't listed, click Manage Search Engines, then add to input the search name, keyword, and the URL, https://www.google.com/search. Q equals %s. After adding, hover the new entry and choose Make Default. Make sure to restart any open tabs or windows so the change applies everywhere. You'll notice the Omnibox now queries Google. This explains why we add the URL pattern. Chrome needs it to send searches correctly. Finish by restarting Chrome and testing the Omnibox with a quick search. You should see Google results immediately. If Bing still appears, make sure no extension is forcing a search provider. Disable suspicious extensions and retry. Also check on startup settings for a homepage that redirects to Bing and remove it. If problems persist, clear browser data or reset settings to default. This removes hijacker changes without deleting bookmarks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.